I have an omelette. I have a yakisoba. Omusoba. Today I make omusoba. Omusoba is the Japanese traditional cuisine of yakisoba topped on the omelette. It is a dish that is milder and tastier than yakisoba. It's easy to make at home. If you think this video is good, I would appreciate to push like, subscribe, and bell work. So let's get cooking! I used to make the salt yakisoba, but this time it's a Worcestershire sauce version. Use a noodle for yakisoba. It's okay to use a ramen noodles. I use a powdered Worcestershire sauce, but you can also use a liquid sauce. And eggs for wrapping finally. And onions, carrots, and pork for yakisoba ingredients. And the secret ingredient, mayonnaise. You can make the super delicious Omusoba with just this. So let's cook it! First, peel off the carrot skin. Are Japanese carrots thicker than those in your country? I would be happy if you could tell me in the comments. And cut off the top and end of carrot. Then cut 5 cm width and slice the 2 mm width for lengthwise. It's a little big, so at the end cut in the lengthwise into 2 cm width. If you cut it all at once like this, it will be completed quickly. I prefer to cook delicious food quickly rather than making it carefully. Next, cut the onion 1 cm width. If you want to enjoy the texture, cut it a little thicker. And then, cut the pork 5 cm width. It is recommended that you use a separate knife and cutting board to prevent food poisoning. Be especially careful as it will be hot in the coming summer. As for noodles, preheating them makes them easier to loosen and easier to cook. So wrap and heat in microwave for 3 minutes. So let's fry. Add 1 teaspoon of oil on pan and turn on medium heat. First, fry the carrots and onion. And add the salt as usual. The moisture in the food is removed, making it easier for the flavor of the food to permeate. And fry until the onions are soft. Let's take out the vegetable once and fry the pork. When lightly browned, turn over the cook both sides. And then add the vegetable and the noodles. Add the water if the noodles were difficult to loosen. 1 tablespoon of water is enough. Then, after stirring it to some extent, leave it as it is and add the grill mark to the noodles. When the noodles are browned, stir as if turning the noodles upside down, and fry it again. This will enhance the flavor. And then add the Worcestershire sauce after the frying as it burned easily. And stir until the whole is the color of the sauce. This completes the yakisoba. And serve in the plate. If you serve it elongated, the appearance of soba will be better. Then add the mayonnaise as a secret ingredient. Next, prepare the omelette for wrapping. Break the 2 eggs for 1 serving. And mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and turn on medium heat. From here, it's a race against time. Stir immediately after adding the eggs and spread it all over the pan. When it hardens, peel it off from the outside first. It is okay if the whole can be peeled off like this. If you do not use the oil, it will stick to the pan, so be careful. Then turn off the heat and prepare the yakisoba. And put it on top. It's okay if it bends like this. Spread it out carefully. It is good to wrap an outer egg under the yakisoba. Ketchup is fine, but I like Worcestershire sauce, so I put some sauce on it. And put some parsley on top. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Hey, look at the glistening eggs and mouth-watering yakisoba. The gentleness of eggs is added to complete the dish with a mellow taste. Thank you for the collaboration of omelette and yakisoba. I loving it! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!